What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. Having a big nose is definitely a characteristic that makes you look more masculine. But not everyone is satisfied and confident with their nose. And because your confidence is responsible for your attractiveness and also your well-being as well, I created today's video to show you some simple hacks that you can use in order to make your nose look smaller. So if you're interested in that, definitely make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we're going to start with today's video, just take a quick second guys and smash that like and subscribe button down below, become part of the family, so I can help you out to become your best version possible. So definitely make sure that you don't miss out on this opportunity. Let's start directly with number one. Make sure there's no redness or pimples on your nose. Simply because it will lead all the attention directly to your nose. And therefore it will make your nose appear even bigger than it actually is. So simply make sure that your diet and skincare routine is on point and that there are no blackheads or other pimples on your nose. Also use a peeling at least twice a week to get rid of all the uneven skin cells on your nose so that your nose look even and therefore appear smaller. So if you want to make your nose appear smaller, definitely make sure that your skin is clean. Let's continue with number two. If you can, you should definitely grow a beard. Simply because a beard will make your face look more balanced and will also lead the attention away from your nose. If you can grow a beard, it is such an easy and effective hack that you can use in order to make your nose appear smaller. But of course also make sure to take care of your beard and don't let it grow too long, because otherwise you will just look like a savage. Let's continue with number three. Wear some glasses. Wearing glasses will also lead the attention away from your nose and therefore make it appear smaller than it actually is. Just make sure that your glasses match to your face shape. So for example, you shouldn't wear round glasses if you have a round face shape. Let's continue with number four. Have a haircut with more volume on top. This will also make your face appear more balanced and therefore make your nose look smaller as well. It is also a very effective and instant hack that you can use in order to make your nose appear smaller. So definitely give it a try. And last but not least, number five, reduce your body fat percentage. This will also make your face and your nose become more defined and therefore make it look more balanced and your nose look smaller as well. Focus on the right and healthy diet and also work out consistently and you will see some amazing results. And yeah, that's basically it for today's video. Those are my 5 advices that you can use in order to make your nose appear smaller than it is. But still keep in mind that a bigger nose is also a very masculine character trait that find women attractive as well. And yeah, that's basically it. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below, become part of the family, so I can help you out to become your best version possible. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.